Alright, the rest of this video is going to be like this. I don't feel like holding the camera no more. I hope you guys are following along. This is a 7mm. Okay. I ain't trying to lose you. I ain't trying to confuse you. Alright. Now look, you might struggle trying to get this piece out. The only reason I did that in like less than 10 seconds is because I've struggled with this reservoir several times in the past. Trying to get the radiator fans out, the radiator out. That's the only reason I did that so quickly. You might struggle with it. You might not. I don't know. This is the new one. Let me actually show y'all where the new one is going. Right there. You're gonna have to get this plastic piece into that square right there. Looks like a little insert coin, a little quarter. That's where you're gonna have to get it into. Good luck. Good luck to whoever is trying to do that. Oh, there you go. Got it. What else was I going to say? Oh, yeah, your cap. And, of course, the coolant that's in here. You kind of want to transfer over this coolant. But also this cap. I'm going to go ahead and reuse this cap because I do not have a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer over this cap. And if you want to transfer over your hose and your hose clamps, you can do that as well because I like my hose and my hose clamps. They're in better condition than that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and again, 7mm. We're now tightening. I hope I don't cross through this. I might Let me go ahead and pause the video so y'all don't have to watch this. Well, it's in there. Take that hose off. I'm not saying that it's a bad hose. I just would prefer to use the one that I already had. It could have been a good hose, but you know. I'm gonna take this one off. And let's go ahead and transfer over the coolant. I'm not gonna lie to you, I think I spilled half that for real. That's crazy. It wasn't even much. It was not even much. Alright, and this one. I didn't forget about the radiator hose. I didn't forget about it. it's not gonna work. Gotta use a Phillips. I don't know, this flathead, my bad. I don't know why I said Phillips. It's flathead. Pause the video real quick. Alright, so cool. Got these clamps tight. Got this tight. It turned out it was a 6. And this right here was a 7. Y'all didn't see that? This right here was a 7. I don't know what the bolt size may be for you, but that's what size it was for me. And as for the hose, this is the old hose right here. Slightly newer one. Not too sure which way this thing goes on, but I'm gonna go it this way. No, I'm gonna go it the other way. This way. Yeah, I'm going it this way for sure. Right. Put it up on there. Where my 8 go? Where my 8? Where's my 8? Okay. I don't know if it's gonna be 8 or 7 or 6. What's it gonna be? Yep, it's 8. So it's right here. This is how everything came out. This is how this came out. Cap. There's a clamp right here. Clamp right here. Clamp right here. Double clamp right here. So upper radiator hose and coolant reservoir. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it I'm gonna start it up so you guys can hear it real quick. don't like how close this is to the compressor clutch. That's really close. I don't like that. But I'm hoping that it actually. I don't like that. The other one wasn't that close. But you know, it works. At least it's a newer hose. The older one. This one's more worn out. You can tell. You can tell. Yeah, this one has more. I'm gonna replace the lower one at some point too. That's the lower radiator hose, or just the upper hose reservoir. It's the old reservoir. It's all dirty. Has all types of stuff at the bottom of it. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to them just in case, but see how these go. Got a little bit of a spill right there. Right. Gotta put some lotion on my hands. Gotta wash my hands a little bit, you know, whatever. But thank you guys for watching, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Feel free to like, drop a like, comment, subscribe. This is my main channel, the Quantity Evolver, where I post automotive content and car shows. And yeah, thank you.